Make a great choice today with the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front, on-off-road, tires, rear, on-off-road, convertible soft top. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.